Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli, along with Bethy, the electric Israela. Did you hear that? Anyway, so it is 81 degrees. Is it 81 or 82?
Looks like 82.
82. Well, when I recorded the air conditioning stuff, it was 81. So doing videos on weather and climate control in electric cars is one of my favorite topics. I get probably the most views on that, and I was really waiting. We were really waiting for warmer weather. I was waiting for this video, but you were waiting for warmer weather for other reasons, right?
Right.
What are your other reasons, my dear?
That it's warmer weather and it's nicer out, and I don't have to wear a coat.
And we can go to the beach.
We can go to the beach. Not yet, but soon.
Anyway, so as you know, weather is the biggest culprit of range loss or range gain. In the winter, we suffer tremendous amount of range loss, especially on those 20 degrees days or minus 10, which we had. And now that the temperature is going up, the range is significantly going to increase. Actually, I'm going to drive to Maryland this week, this coming Thursday, bring up my son home from college, and it's about 500 miles trip, and we will do a complete and total range test. The weather obviously is warmer, but one of the things that I loved about the Nissan Leaf when we used to have it is the is how fast it heats and cools. Remember, honey? It unlike the Volt. Tell everybody about the Volt.
I've told everybody about the Volt. It does not heat and cool quickly at all.
And do you know why?
You always tell me and I forget.
Okay, well, I'll tell you why. Well, it's called resistive heat. The Leaf has a heat pump which cools and heats the car so quickly. The Tesla, I have to say, does not have a heat pump, but the system is so incredibly efficient that this car cools and heats very, very quickly. How is your heating in the winter? Great, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very quickly, very, very quickly. Not like the Volt at all. So anyway, we put the air conditioning probably for the first time since we bought the car, and take a look right now. I'm going to show you. It's really fabulous system here, because you have like all the options like you would in any car, but because of the way the vent is across the car, you know, from all across, you can really aim the fan to whichever direction you want, and up and down, and you cannot even have it directed at you. So the heat and cooling system here in terms of efficiency and effectiveness is amazing, and also in terms of directional and the structure of the fans and the vents is just revolutionary. So we really love it. It's performing the best. It really is great performance, Nissan Leaf style. I really tell you, this is so important how it is. So now we'll see how the range will be affected in long trips. We're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna take one this week, and I'm gonna see how it affected. If we get the rated range, it will be great, but we'll see if we can get more. And we are welcoming the warmer weather, right?
That's correct.
That is correct.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else to say about the heating system, the cooling system in the car?
We'll
no, it's
see.
Quick, huh?
It's quick, and we'll see it. We'll put it to the test this summer, that's
all
for
right.
sure.
And tell our friends, what are we going to do next week on Tuesday?
Oh, we're going to the auto show.
Right. We're going to the New York Auto Show, and we're going to make how many videos? About 10,000? About 10,000 videos we're going to make.
We got to go early before it gets crowded.
We are going to go early, and we're also going to talk about something in New York City parking. Your least favorite thing, what is it?
There's no place to charge the car in New York City.
They stink, New York City, right? New York City stinks. Okay. Anyway, so we're going to do the auto show next week. We're going to do so many videos, so stay with us. Bethy and I are going to spend a lot of time next week together. It's our Passover vacation, so all of you celebrate Passover and Easter. Happy Easter, happy Passover. See you next week with 10,000 videos. Yes?
No exaggeration.
No exaggeration.
Whoa.
Goodbye.